In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix group text messages sending single message on Android phone. It's the best method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your Android device is sending group text as individual messages to each person, it's almost always due to a setting in your messaging app that is reverted to mass text instead of group MMS. So what you want to do is open up your messages application, tap your profile icon on the top right, and you're going to see a lot of things, but go over to messages settings like so. Once you're here, go over it and find the advanced tab, which is going to be towards the bottom. Go ahead and click on it. Then go ahead and tap on group messaging at the very top, and you want it to be send an MMS reply to all recipients. So as you can see, mine is right now on group MMS. You want to make sure it's on group MMS and not mass text. And as a result, your messages will now be bundled into a single chat room where everyone can see each other's replies. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.